For thousands of years, gold and silver defined wealth. They were heavy, scarce, and real, and that realness was the foundation of trust. But then, something changed. The world's greatest empires discovered a dangerous shortcut, paper, and that changed everything about money, power, and trust. It began in China over 1,000 years ago. During the Tang and Song dynasties, merchants found carrying metal coins across long distances dangerous and impractical. So they began issuing promissory notes, simple pieces of paper that said, "I deposit my coins here, you can redeem them there." It worked. People started trusting paper as much as metal, and soon the government stepped in, printing its own official notes backed by gold reserves. For the first time in history, value was written, not minted. When Marco Polo visited China in the 13th century, he couldn't believe it. An entire empire using paper instead of coins. He wrote, "All these notes are issued with as much authority and credit as if they were of pure gold." But this power came with a trap. Paper was easier to print than gold was to mine. And once rulers realized they could create wealth from ink, they didn't stop. Europe followed centuries later. Banks issued their own notes, claiming each was backed by gold, but soon more notes circulated than gold existed. The illusion was complete. People no longer held value. They held promises, and that promise could be broken anytime. Governments discovered they could print their way out of wars, recessions, and debt. But every new bill printed made the existing ones worth a little less. Paper money gave us capitalism, banking, and global trade, but it also gave us inflation, inequality, and financial control. It was humanity's greatest innovation and its greatest illusion. Today, our money isn't even paper anymore. It's pixels on a screen. Yet it all traces back to the moment we decided that belief was more powerful than gold. Because the truth is simple. Money didn't evolve. It escaped. And once it left gold behind, it never looked back. If this story changed how you see money, subscribe for the next episode: how central banks took control, the age of managed money. Because the story of money is really the story of control.